Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Shiba Inu coins will become $3 giants thanks to Microsoft's brilliant scheme. Now Shib news, with many investors hoping to see the price of the token increase. The Shiba Inu community has swiftly expanded over the past several years. However, Shib's price is susceptible to market swings and is influenced by a number of different factors, just like any other cryptocurrency. The meme token may be a lucrative investment option for traders at any time of the year due to a number of characteristics. Fibbold used Coin Codex's AI analysis to predict the price of Shiba Inu on Easter Sunday 2023 because the Easter vacations are only a few weeks away. This video will discuss Microsoft's brilliant scheme to transform the diminutive Shiba Inu coin into a $3 behemoth. Now Shib news: to see our most recent Shiba Inu videos, pricing forecasts, and expert analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shiba Inu is projected to trade for $0.9976 on April 9th according to information acquired on March 21st. The estimated cost, though, is a little less than Shib's current zero-point cost of $52. Crypto traders could desire to purchase Shiba Inu around Easter for no particular reason. However, traders may observe volatility in the price of digital assets because they could be purchased as gifts or utilized with specific retailers to pay for items at Easter. Shiba Inu does have a lot of potential for growth and adoption, especially as more companies and people start to recognize and accept it as a form of payment. Shiba Inu may become more popular as a result, which could drive up the cost of the breed. Meanwhile, the TradingView sentiment on the one-day gauges at the financial and cryptocurrency analytics platform is primarily negative for Shib. The oscillators at 2 are in the buy zone, and the moving averages at 14 are strongly selling, thus the summary advises a sell. With a market valuation of $6.2 billion, Shib is trading hands at $52, down 3.81% over the previous week and 1.54% during the past 24 hours. It's interesting to note that, prior to April 9th, the crypto community predicted the Shib price for March 31st, 2023, at $0.1191, which is both much higher than the Easter Sunday AI projection and 83% historically accurate. Shibarium is expected to improve the value of Shib and present a new use case for it, both of which may spark increasing demand and ultimately cause a price explosion. Shibarium's beta release marks a significant turning point for the Shiba Inu community and the larger cryptocurrency market. Shibarium's faster and less expensive transaction processing, staking rewards, and decentralized exchange that accepts Shib and other ERC-20 tokens have the potential to transform the landscape of Layer 2 solutions. Users can now create organizations, buildings, decentralized financial platforms, and other things thanks to the latest development. There are allegedly many planets scattered across and apart from one another in the metaverse. The metaverse was created with Shibarium as its foundation in order to harmonize the environment. There are plans to expand the next generation capabilities to gaming in addition to its goal of enabling regular users to start their visual activities in the area. In order to encourage players to create, play, and participate in new games, the team has invited gaming studios from all around the world to the metaverse. They will be using the Shibarium blockchain. Shiba Inu's primary developer, Satoshi Kusama, claims that the Shiba ecosystem's widely accepted native token sets new criteria that are identical to those of the Shib in the metaverse. Anyone from any walk of life will be able to explore, create, discover, trade, sell, purchase, and live in a new world thanks to this amazing metaverse experience, which will reward their participation with a ton of opportunities and experiences. The Shiba Inu token ecosystem, the brand new Shibarium blockchain, and the best community on Earth, the Shib Army, should also be mentioned. Only by utilizing the extraordinary talent and technology of our contributors community can we produce work of this caliber. The full alpha preview version of Shib the Metaverse was on exhibit for informational purposes from March 13th to March 15th at this year's South by Southwest South by Southwest. In 1987, South by Southwest was established in Austin, Texas. It is recognized for hosting prestigious conferences and festivals where creatives from all professions come together for exhibitions, networking events, etc. The Alpha Preview edition of the just concluded program gave audiences a sneak peek at what the WAGMI Hub has to offer. Notably, WAGMI Hub is only the first of the SHIB Metaverse 11 hubs. Shibarium can offer a wide range of technical benefits, including increased throughput, decreased latency, lower fees, improved privacy and security, and greater flexibility and interoperability, by utilizing cutting-edge cryptographic techniques, off-chain computation and storage, and other cutting-edge solutions. These advantages may spur the next phase of blockchain development and alter the metaverse, opening up new avenues for decentralized commerce, gaming, social networking, and other cutting-edge use cases. At the South by Southwest Festival in Texas last week, Cuono met Ted Shilowitz, the futurist for American movie studio Paramount Pictures. This led to rumors that the SHIB had significantly advanced. Project Metaverse in his article on the rapidly expanding project with a canine theme, Charlie Fink highlighted the WAGMI Temple Hub's South by Southwest debut. A recent tech piece from the American business magazine Forbes included a Shiba Inu. A mention was given for the well-known dog-themed project's debut at the WAGMI Temple Hub of the Metaverse during this year's South by Southwest Festival in Austin, Texas. The tech colonists' experience at the South by Southwest event and the associated FOMO were recounted by AR author and metaverse consultant Charlie Fink. He claims that it is very impossible to attend every event at the festival. Visitors ought to rely on chance and recognize that FOMO will always surface. Nevertheless, Fink highlighted a few of the festival's activities, including the introduction of the Shiba Inu Metaverse project. He referred to the relevance and attraction of the metaverse, noting that it is the most eagerly anticipated initiative on the future Shibarium Layer 2 network. The Forbes article also mentioned that the metaverse team made its debut. The Crypto Basic had previously claimed that the WAGMI were all set to arrive at Temple Hub at the Essex SW Festival. Visitors were able to see a preview of the metaverse environment at the launch, especially when it was using the potent Unreal Engine 5 authoring tool. The Forbes mention is evidence of the Shiba Inu's expanding notoriety as it moves closer to widespread adoption. The article made the public aware of Marcy Jastrow Shiba Inu's Metaverse Council on widespread adoption. The article made people aware of Marcy Jastrow Shiba Inu's Metaverse guidance. The chief developer for Satoshi Kusama Shiba Inu additionally emphasized the progress. The most recent Forbes piece about Shiba Inus before the recent shoutout. The Shiba Inu metaverse was first mentioned in a Flink article from the previous year. It should be noted that Marcy Jastrow will lead its development. Shiba Inu's technological advisor and futurist is Sherry Cuono. In order to mark the occasion, Bitflyer, a well-known private firm and cryptocurrency exchange with headquarters in Japan, declared today that it would list Shiba Inu on its platform. In a lottery-style offer, Bitflyer announced it will award SHIB tokens to its users. Using its official Twitter account, the exchange tweeted the news of the adjustment. The post, which was crudely translated from Japanese, stated that the exchange would award 20 lucky lottery winners with Shiba Inu tokens worth 10,000 Japanese yen, or $1,500, in giveaway prizes. Shiba Inu will be listed today, the exchange has announced. They want to award the lucky winners with SHIB worth 10,000 Japanese yen, or $75, to commemorate the listing. Participants must follow these 3 easy steps: retweet the tweet announcing the development, follow the official Bitflyer Twitter account, and then click a booster link to enter the lottery. Up until today, when SHIB is formally listed on the exchange, the giveaway promotion will continue. The shift comes in response to Chegi, a well-known Japanese Shiba Inu supporter who frequently starts petitions to ask Japan-based exchanges to support SHIB. 3 hours before to the announcement, Chegi had enticed Bitflyer once more to list the asset. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.